What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Abhishek and today we are going to create this amazing logo intro. First of all, we are going to create logo clip. So for that, download this file and double click on it to extract it. Now open this folder and this is the reflection file which is required to create logo clip. Now go back to Filmora, click on import and import this reflection file as well as your logo file. Now drag and drop your logo file on track 1. Right click on it, go to duration and increase its duration to 6 seconds. Now go back to project media and drag and drop reflection file on track 2 and increase its duration to 6 seconds. Now double click on it, go to video and increase scale to 300 and align its y-axis and x-axis. After that, go to blending mode and change blending mode to liner burn so that you can see a bit of reflection on logo. Now go to color and adjust brightness and contrast. Now go to animation and add keyframe at the starting point and then take playhead at the end point and add another keyframe. And now define x-axis position on -400. So we are done with our logo clip. Now let's see how it works. So now you can see a bit of reflection moving in our logo. Now export it, click on export, give name to it. I am giving name Wolf logo. Click on setting and everything should be on higher side and click on export. Now select these two files and delete them. Now go back to that downloaded folder and click on Waterblast logo intro folder and click on this file. It will take you to this screen. Now here you can choose the folder where you want to save these files and click on OK. Now you will see these files on your timeline. If you want to change the light of your background, you can do that. Just simply double click on track 1 clip, go to color. No need to change brightness and contrast. You can change the color of your clip by using this temperature slider. Just increase it or decrease it, or you can change the color by using tint. Just increase it or decrease it. So after changing the color of your background clip, whatever values you will get in temperature and tint, just remember those values because we are going to apply same value on track 2 clip. So track 2 clip is in 4 parts. So on every part apply the same values which we got from clip 1. Now the track 5 is for you guys to create this Waterblast logo intro, as well as there is a text clip which you can use to give tagline. Otherwise, if you don't want to use, just hide it. Now import the file which we have created, drag it to track 5 and hide track 4 clip. Double click on your logo clip, go to video and change blending mode to screen and decrease scale to 30. So decreasing logo scale is totally depends on your logo size. Now take playhead at the starting position, go to animation, add keyframe and decrease opacity to 0. Now click on second keyframe on track 4 and select your clip and increase opacity back to 100%. Now click on third keyframe on track 4 and select your clip, add blank keyframe. Now take playhead at the end position, select your clip and increase scale to 130%. Now if you want to change the text, double click on it, enter the text of your choice. Even if you want to change the font, just select font of your choice and align this text as per your requirement. And now we are done with our Waterblast logo intro. Now before playing this clip, please render it for smooth playback. So let's see how it looks. Now guys, to export it, click on export, give name to your clip, select format of your choice, click on settings, quality select best, and we are okay, and click on export. That's it. This is how you can create an amazing water blast logo intro in Filmora in very easy steps. So if you want to download these logo files for free, just subscribe to my channel to get access to those files. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning, keep watching. Goodbye.